Your tummy review. What is tone your tummy? Getting a toned tummy and a flat stomach could be a dream for many people, and as you may think, it isn't that easy to attain it. Tone your tummy comes as a rescue to your tummy problems and ensure that you reduce it with proper exercises and workouts that are easy to follow as well as are effective in your journey of weight loss. With excess belly fat and body weight, your self-confidence gets crushed every day, and this weakens your mood and mental health to a great extent. Tone your tummy comes up with workouts that can lighten your mood and rejuvenate your body cells as well as boost your mental health at the same time. How does it work? Sculpting a toned body and maintaining healthy body weight is a very conscious decision a person has to take, because once you are in, there is no turning back, and also if you screw it up with improper weight loss methods, there are high possibilities that you might end up gaining more weight than the usual. Tone Your Tummy comes with step-by-step instructions as to how to reduce your tummy and belly fat through simple and effective workouts and exercise techniques that can improve your abdominal muscles, strengthen the core muscles. These are natural movements that are taught to improve the flow of energy throughout your body, and due to a higher flow of energy, you will be able to reduce your excess weight and belly fat more effectively than ever. This program comes along with simple videos that demonstrate tummy reducing exercises and movements that ensure that you recover your flat tummy that you once had and never again gain weight in your entire life. Why choose Tone Your Tummy? This program gives you a very special flat belly tea recipe that coordinates with your workouts and helps you gain a firm body like never before. You will be getting a nutrition plan guide that tells you what are all the proper nutrition-rich food that you need to add to your diet and why they can help you lose weight. You will get to know what are all the weight loss supplements that really work so that you can take them in addition to your regular workouts. You will be getting a Tone Your Tummy workout calendar that you can stick it into your fridge or any possible place at home. This helps you look at your progress through every phase, as there are 3 phases to this program. Pros: reduce your belly fat in the right way. Get to know your progress of weight loss. Know the right foods to eat. Have a proper nutrition chart planned out for you. This program is like having a personal trainer by your side. Cons: this program doesn't have offline availability. You need to wait patiently and use this program consistently to see positive end results. Conclusion: going through a phase where you need to lose weight and the excess belly fat of yours is something that is not easy. But here is how you can make it easy and lose weight in the right way. Tone Your Tummy comes with proper weight loss exercises and tummy reducing workouts that help you have a flat tummy and a toned body like never before. Losing weight is no longer a distant dream and enough of hiding your body behind loose clothes. Get ready to use all those fitting old dresses of yours. Hurry up and get this program now. Link in my description.